period definition, period in a sentence, period pronunciation, period meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of period. Period. P-re-ud. Period. Period as a noun means a length of time or a portion of time. Common usages in academic writing: a historic period, a period of time, a turbulent period, a period of inactivity, a 1-month period. Example sentences: period, noun. The 30s was a period characterized by wars and civil unrest. Example sentence number 2. After a long period of inactivity, the author began writing prolifically until the age of 80. The common academic writing variation is periodically, adverb. The stork periodically checks behind itself for predators. Please write a sentence using period in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of period, the meaning of period, and period example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.